Namaste. I'm Ezichiade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. We are continuing to polish the Orgonite, the Quantum Orgonite, preparing it for its new wearer. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. This is Ohikari Orgonite, and it has, as you see, a symbol that is embedded in the back. And this symbol for light is what Johrei practitioners use when we are practicing Johrei. So, this is Ohikari Orgonite, penned by myself using a calligraphy pen technique. So, it is imbued with my intention to bring light. But even though I am not Meishu-sama, the important factor here is the intention of the wearer is what brings light. And so, in them using this Ohikari Orgonite, they validate and bring light to my purpose of bringing light by using what I've learned through Meishu-sama and bringing it to others. So, here we are. Well, it looks pretty finished, and it's very smooth, no rough edges. So as you can see, there's a lot of scraping here, creating the holes for the body loop. So I have a special treatment that I soak it in to remove that and other surface irregularities that happen through polishing it. It only has to be in there a few minutes, but I'm going to allow it to soak while I work on the next Quantum Orgonite. So as you see, when molding it, when casting it, the loops, the upper loops are in this position so that it's easier to lay it flat, get it flat in the mold. Now we'll create the top loops that balance it when you wear it so that it hangs properly and doesn't lean forward or back. And of course the body loops have already been opened, and it will be going into the solution next. So let's begin. We have to remove excess material, that resin that has collected on the copper, but also to brush the metal so that it is available to receive auric energy more easier. So from time to time, when one wears Quantum Orgonite, you'll want to clean the copper so that it works more efficiently. It's important to make sure both are the same length so that when the turns are wound down to the surface, they are both the same approximate size. So in this one, the coil is not as visible, but as you can see, it is there. And the important thing here is that the metals are here. Very high density collection of metals. Aluminum, copper, ferric oxide, and also a Japanese ceramic that induces far infrared, widening the blood vessels, giving greater purification for the wearer. Well, as you can see, it's a meticulous process. Each piece is made by hand polished. Blessed on my home altar. Where I reside with my twin flame and my boy and my girl. And they're a whole different story, as we will discuss on the new Patreon channel. We have begun building that, so we can look forward to some inner secrets, workings, my more personal side, I guess you would say, my family side. If that's something you're into, type family in the comments. I'm going to polish the edges well so that it does not cut the wearer. So we take our time. I take my time. we'll use a fine crosshair file, a cross-cut file, I should say. So it is different than the angle file. It is only going one angle, where this is going the two angles, and it polishes a little smoother. So I use this one more for finishing. Well, this one's looking pretty good. And now we're about ready for the turns. So we'll come back in the next video and we will create the top loops and finish it and start the treatment bath. So make sure you subscribe, ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. And if you want to acquire Orgonite, Quantum Orgonite, use the link in the description. And if you just want to reach me on social media, use those links. Use the links if you want to donate. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.